What'd you say?
Probably a bad word.
What'd you say, Charlie? What'd you say? Whoa, there he goes. What did he say?
What the?
Oh, Hello, Charlie. All the way home. Did you say a bad word? Hello, Charlie.
Yes. Or no.
What'd you say?
Charlie,
What'd you
what
say,
did
Charlie?
You say?
What are you doing?
Is
Ooh,
that what
such a pretty bird.
Well, you're not that pretty. Did you know that? You're
Such
not
a
that pretty.
bird.
Did you know that you're not that pretty? And you're also a boy.
Oh, he's a pretty bird.
He's a pretty boy.
He's a pretty bird.
Hello.
Hello.
You're not even looking at us.
Hello,
You're talking
Charlie.
like hello. Oh.
Did you say a bad word?
No. I think you just said no.
And you never say that, do you, Jesse?
No.
Robert?
Hi, Charlie.